Good afternoon or hello, wherever you may be. This is my trade recap for today, the 5th of March. So, again, I'm still on a mission to recover my accounts. Came in as soon as market opened. Looking at the previous area, I had marked up for gaps that I expected market to fill. But here's the thing here, I didn't feel like I had a move yet. I basically just watched for the first few minutes. That gap right there, wasn't sure if market was gonna go up there, fill it up first before coming down, or if it wanted to just continue down. That wasn't clear to me, so I decided to wait. And I didn't have my levels all there yet, but I visually knew where they were. So I guess I was just waiting. At this point, it's a waiting game. So once market did that, I wanted it to close first. The 1 hour, I wanted to see the 1 hour close. I wanted it to close below that little pullback. And once I could get confirmation that it wanted to continue down, then I would take a sell. But the next candle opened a little bullish and I wanted it to fill that gap to that level. There we go. Once it did that, now I feel like I'm ready to take a trade. But I'm still a little cautious because I kind of see what looks like a double bottom, but it looked more like it was going to go down. So here I'm showing you the trade I'm taking. Selling from there, as you guys know, 100 tick stop loss. And then TP is just whatever the levels are looking at or when I reach my profit target. So here's the trade. As you guys know, majority of it is waiting game. Just waiting. And I'm showing you here on my rhythmic. I took the trade, 2 micros, 2 MNQ. I'm trying to recover, so I'm going very low and slow. And price has started going my way. There we go. And it's just a waiting game now. Keep adjusting my parameters on the little short marker thing, because I just feel like every time I move it changes. So yeah, so just waiting. And I switched from time frame to time frame just to see, are all the time frame kind of telling me the same thing, or is more of them telling me what I'm looking for than not? Or if I need to stay in or get out. I look at every time frame that I from 1 hour down to make that decision, and sometimes I go above. And I can see right here, that's why I took the sell instead of a buy. Market looked like it was going to continue. It didn't break any structural levels, didn't break anything, so it was continuing down and respecting the downtrend. So ergo a sell. And there's still gaps below that marked it, that it didn't fill quite yet. Now again, these just my thoughts. I wasn't sure if it was actually gonna fill them or not. Again, here I'm just showing you my 100 tick stop loss and what my take profit is. As you can see, my resistance line was all the way down to 144. So we're just waiting. Let's see what market does. Lo and behold, I think it did what I wanted it to do, but it's a waiting game. Just so you know, if you're tracking time from the top there, from the beginning of this video, you would notice that we started right at 5 p.m., like 5:08 p.m. Basically, I'm on Central Time, so market opens back up at 5 for me. And if you notice, it's now 2 hours into market open. So this was not as quick as it may suggest. So if you ever want to know the time, just look at the top left and you're going to know when I started taking the trade or towards the time that I closed and whatnot. But yeah, it's been 2 hours now. It's a waiting game. Ignore my alerts. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks like price is starting to kind of head down my way. And as soon as I noticed that, I'm looking for opportunity to to take a second entry to scale into the position, and I did. And you can see right there, my entry for that second one was 225, 18,225. My first entry was 18,232. I took 2 micros the first entry, and now the second one I took 3 micros. So now I'm at 5 micros. Just in case you're wondering, I'm looking for about $200 in profit, maybe 250. And we're gonna see right here how things kind of line up. Right here, I'm just showing you where I'm at on my rhythmic versus where the market is. Market is coming down, and I'm getting ready to close. I don't need too much more. I'm trying to stick to my plan regardless of what the market is doing, because the way my brain works, it's either or. I don't switch back and forth. I get confused very easily, and then I start to mess up my trade. So I closed right around 202, as you can see there, and market is now at 207.